Molly?
Yeah.
Say good morning, Molly.
Good morning, Molly. It's home.
This isn't FaceTime, this is a video.
Oh.
We'll do a video to say good morning to Molly.
Oh.
Do you tell her good morning?
Good morning.
You eating your breakfast?
Granny heard me.
Grammy heard you. We did FaceTime with Grammy and Papa and Amy. Now we're saying good morning to Molly. Say good morning, Molly.
Good morning, Molly.
Good morning to Rich.
Good morning, Rich.
What about Uncle Lenny and Auntie Em?
And Molly, Uncle Lynch.
And Auntie Em?
Hi, Uncle Em.
And Lily, Zoe, and Margaret?
Hi, Margaret. Margaret.
And Lily and Zoe?
Hi, Lily and Zoe.
Yeah, can you give everybody a big smile? Will you sing a song?
Happy birthday.
You could sing happy birthday. You could sing your ABCs.
Say
You
happy
could sing
birthday.
good morning.
Say happy birthday, Pop. Happy birthday to Puff. His birthday. Have one drink.
You're going to have a drink.
Yeah, have one. This is my straw.
That's not a straw. That's a spoon.
Yeah, give me 10 straw.
A pretend straw? Okay. Bloop.
And the cube.
And an ice cube? Okay. Bloop.
And jam and jello.
Jam and jello in your tea.
Yeah.
You're silly. Okay. Bloop, bloop.
and jam.
Can you wiggle your eyebrows? Can you wiggle your nose? Here, wiggle your nose.
Tea.
Okay. Say, I love you, everybody.
I love you, buddy.